Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Durex Long Lasting Spray. This product is designed to help you prolong pleasure and enhance intimacy. Before you begin, always give the can a gentle shake. Make sure the application area is clean and completely dry for optimal absorption. It's also a good idea to perform a quick patch test on your forearm first, just to ensure you don't have any skin sensitivities. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and effective experience. Now, let's talk about the application itself. Hold the can upright, approximately 4 to 6 inches from the desired area. Apply 2 to 3 sprays directly onto the head and shaft. After spraying, gently massage the product into the skin to ensure even coverage. This helps the active ingredient absorb properly. Then, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before engaging in intimacy, allowing the spray to take full effect for maximum benefit. It's crucial to follow some key guidelines for safe and effective use. Do not exceed 10 sprays within any 24-hour period. After intimacy, it's important to wash off the spray to prevent any potential transfer to your partner. If you experience any irritation, or if you have pre-existing medical conditions, please consult a healthcare professional. Remember, this spray is not a contraceptive and offers no protection against sexually transmitted infections. To get the most out of your Durex long-lasting spray, a little experimentation can go a long way. Try adjusting the number of sprays to discover what works best for you. For enhanced safety and sensation, consider using the spray in conjunction with a condom. Always store the product in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its effectiveness. And finally, always check the expiration date before each use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.